2020 Jaguar F-Pace is in today. We're going to be tinting the side two windows and the front windshield.
Oh wow, that's a nice interior.
Oh, red seats with the black inserts. Dustin, you look deep in thought. What are you thinking about?
Now, I feel like you should know this. There's a good chance you won't. But if there was one answer you could give for this sport, it might be this. What team did Joe Montana play for?
Who the f is that? So this was a quick little tint appointment. Ceralex 33 on the front two windows and Photo 670 on the front windshield. Despite the front windows still being a little lighter than the back windows, it actually matches pretty well. Tesla Model 3 is in today. We're getting a bunch of these now that summer is here. Just want to show you how we cut the top. Nice and clean, straight lines. It is even. Photo Sync 30 on all the side windows, but for the big back window, we actually did Photo Sync 45 and Photo Sync 45 for the sunroof up top. Outside looking in, it's not too noticeable. It's slightly lighter. Most people probably wouldn't be able to tell a difference. Inside looking out, it's really hard to tell that the back window or the sunroof is actually lighter than the sides. Oh, what's in there?
5-inch.
Oh, this is the best part, the lollipop.
Because I'm the technician.
Yeah, for you to suck on.
Yeah.
I can't believe they made a little foam thing just for the lollipop.
Oh, cool.
Hey Tyler, there's a guy that was giving out lollipops if you suck his dick. Have you seen him?
Where is he? Good thing this is a blow pop. This goes on the downpipe. Ah!
Next piece we need is C47. This is really nice. They chambered it. I mean, they did it nice. Decouples down one side and it goes to here, which is nice. And it opens up wide here and it splits dual. That means people actually took time to design this. This is not just pipes welded together. C51 goes on the right side of the car. I think it went like this. When you look over at me,
Did I look at you? No, I didn't look at you.
I think you did look at me. You looked at me for help. That's what babies do. They look at their parents when they need help.
Mama! Alright guys, so we're done with the exhaust, so here is the sound clip. That thing is freaking nuts. I didn't think the car get any louder. I was wrong. Dude, are you excited about this?
I am, man. Jesus, louder, man.
Dude, isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Insane.
I didn't think I could get louder than last time.
Yeah.
It's actually much louder.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. We hope to have earned that like button. If you haven't pressed that yet, go ahead and press it. I'll see you guys next time.
The day's not over yet.
I earned it. I earned it.
You earned that like button?
I earned it.
Jamie, I like your mask.
Thank you, thank you. And get the f away from me.